Namaste. I'm here with a very important message today, and this message is from my own personal experience. I want to tell you how soul, your higher self, your guides, the spirit, God, whatever you call it, how it talks to you and gives you messages through your body, the visceral response. So, whenever we are in a situation, a job, a country, a place, a relationship which is not good for us, good in the sense which is not according to the higher self's desires for us. We are running according to our ego's manifestations, then our body it gives signals. It can happen like you can experience depression, you can experience weight gain, you can experience mental, emotional, psychological, or physical symptoms, some subtle signs or serious issues. And we tend to think that all those symptoms are because of karma, we are suffering because of past life karma, or something is happening to our body because of some reason which our mind is not able to understand. So we start visiting doctors and physicians and all, which is very very important as well. I wouldn't say that is not important, because as I got married, immediately just after my marriage, I started suffering. There were subtle signs through my body, like my spine would tell me that there's something wrong at this place and in this relationship. And then started getting depressed, and slowly steadily, as the toxicity increased, I started gaining a lot of weight. My ex partner was very abusive, so there were migraines, then tuberculosis, then serious health issues. I was not able to focus, and but I was ignoring them, thinking that it's normal and it happens to everybody. But as I grew spiritually, I got to know that my body was giving me signs and signals that she was not safe, that my soul was not safe in my body. So my body started throwing up. I started getting a lot of symptoms which I ignored. But then when I started listening to my body, I understood that the spirit talks to human beings and all other animals as well, through body. It gives visceral responses. The rest of the animal kingdom, they are in present moment, so they tend to understand and listen to their intuition very very carefully. They are very attentive, and they have more senses active than human beings. So, I would urge everyone to listen to their body. When it is telling you that something is not good, something is really not good. Thank you.